Hello friends, welcome back to my channel IT Parivar. So guys, in this video today we will learn how to enable Windows Firewall on all client machines using group policy via domain controller. Okay, so before going ahead, let me show you one thing. Let me open here firewall.cpl and you can see firewall is on green mark, right mark. That means firewall is on this computer. Okay, and this computer name is ABC. Let me show you. This computer name is ABC and this is joined to my domain. Okay, let me close this now. So what we'll do, we will try to turn off Windows Firewall on this computer using group policy. Okay, so let me jump on my domain controller. Okay, before going ahead, I have one request. If you are a new user for my channel, please subscribe just to motivate me, just to support me. Okay, and don't forget to click on bell icon so that whenever I'll upload the new informative videos, you will get the notification. Okay, so let me open here group policy management. This is my domain controller and I'm going to open here group policy management. I have few group policies already configured here. Okay, let me start from the scratch. So once you will be open to group policy management, you will be able to see in this way. Okay, your not domain name, you need to expand and then go to group policy object. Here you will be able to see your pre-configured group policies. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's create one more group policy for disabling for turn off the Windows Firewall. Okay, turn off Windows Firewall, turn off Windows Firewall and say okay. Okay, let us configure this. Click to edit and go to under computer configuration, go to policies, expand this and then expand to administrator. Okay, sorry, administrative template. Once you will expand to administrative template, I'm sorry, you need to go to Windows setting. Okay, and once you will expand to Windows settings, go to security. Once you'll go to the security option, you will be able to see here Windows Firewall with advanced. Let me expand this, advanced security. Okay, expand this and you will be able to see here the Windows Firewall with advanced security. Okay, either you can right click here and go to properties, or you can just click here Windows Firewall properties. For now you can see domain profile is not configured, private profile not configured, public profile not configured. Okay, so there are three profile in case of firewall, that is domain, private and public. Okay, I already shown you here. Let me show again. You can see here domain, private and public. Okay, let me minimize this. So let's do one thing. Let us click here and click to off. Okay, click to off and then go to private, select, click to off, go to public, select, click to off, apply and okay. So here you can see now Windows Firewall is off, Windows Firewall is off, Windows Firewall is off. So for all these three profiles, domain, private and public, firewall is off. Okay, now let's close this. Okay, and as that machine, let me show you bsa.msc. If you want to turn off Windows Firewall for your all organization computers, you can link to the domain label to the domain level here, right click and just click to link an existing GPO and select that firewall policy and say OK. If you want to if you want to enable or if you want to turn off firewall, or if you want to apply policy for a specific computer, a specific user, you need to first check with Active Directory domain users and computers. So you can see here I have one OU IT team where the this ABC computer is under this computer. Okay, IT team and ABC. Okay, so under IT team OU we have this ABC computer, which is this client machine. So we'll try to implement this group policy, or we'll try to turn off the firewall for this specific computer. Okay, and this is under this OU, IT team OU. So we'll implement this group policy to the IT team OU. Okay, and I already explained, if you want you can link to domain level or to the root level, so that it will turn off all your organization computers firewall. Okay, let me do here, let me right click and link an existing GPO and select this turn off Windows firewall, say OK. You can see here, once you will click to IT team, you can see all these 4 to 5 group policies are directly linked to this. Okay, if you double click on this, okay, you can see this is linked to this location, IT team OU. Okay, so in this way you can check the group policy status, like where it is linked. Okay, this is additional information for you guys. Let me close this now and go to CMD. Let us force the GP update. Sorry, GP update space / force. Once it will be completed from the domain controller, we'll run the same GP update command from our client machine, on our client machine. Okay, computer policy update has completed successfully and user policy update has successfully completed. Let me go to the CMD here on my client machine. Okay, and let us do the same GP update space / force, and we'll see Windows firewall is turned off or not. You can see here, before applying this policy the firewall was turned on. Okay, all domain, private and public. Okay, now it is turned off. So in this way, using group policy via domain controller, you can disable, you can turn off your Windows firewall. Okay, so guys, I hope this video will be helpful for you. So again, I will request you to please subscribe my channel, and if this video is really helpful for you, please share with your friends in your circle. And if you have any query or concerns, please feel free to leave your comment. I will surely try to answer your queries. Thanks for watching IT Parivar. Bye bye.